Of course, there is a very important point to consider when automating. Automation is not just about taking the money, putting it there, and forgetting about it, my friends. Money is never forgotten. Think of it this way. No matter how we look at it on a surface level, earning money has a lot of significance. Survival, safety, and security all make money very important in your life, because all of these are our basic needs as human beings. And the bridge between survival and truly living is money, which is really very important. That's why, along with automation, we manage money, but never just set it aside and forget about it. Because this is where many people mistakenly go after automation. They think that once they automate it, the money goes automatically, and now they can relax. Oh, what a wonderful world. There is partly such a thing, but it should not be maintained. Using money consciously is very important for financial success and financial freedom, because only by using money consciously can you create a world where the money you don't need becomes neutral. Only then will you have a lifestyle that suits you. When you remove money from the equation and eliminate the problems associated with it, you come face to face with life, and you can become people who know what they want from it and live it happily. Because moving beyond the existing money narratives begins with the automation that occurs in the previous step. First, we understand our conscious mind. After understanding, we begin to have the ability to change and develop these beliefs. After reaching that level of financial security, new questions arise in our minds. That's why I say we put money aside, but we don't forget. Automation only alleviates the part of our brain that is overwhelmed by decision-making warriors, financial stress, and uncertainties. During this time period, our brain begins to dive into the right thoughts on its own as it has freed itself from those pressures. So I have these and these. In my accounts, these and these are my debts. I bring in this much every month. My income is this much every year, and my investments are growing. Now, my brain is saying, how can I improve this? How can I optimize it? How can I make it more suitable for my feelings and my life? And I plan this. I am now financially secure. So what kind of life should I live? How should my days look? Or I say, yes, I am financially secure. My money is accumulating right now. So where should I invest it? Then he is surprised and says that for years he thought that only wealthy people had such thoughts. So, I used to think that these plans and dreams, like where to invest this much money, what to do, how to shape my life, were only for the wealthy, he says. In fact, a new enlightenment begins in his life here. An important belief is actually being shattered. Consciousness says that such a thing no longer exists. In other words, you cannot invest beyond a certain level of investment. You cannot find opportunities. This is a situation that is only special for those who already have money or for those who start life one step ahead. This belief completely disappears. After getting up, different plans and different dreams come into play, and you say again, my money is safe. I am safe now. I have no financial problems. Then you start to think you are secure. Everything is being paid automatically. Another question arises. You are asking, how can I update my habits to make this money work more effectively for me? What should I add? What should I take out? Because you see it around you. You were like that too. We were all avoiding money. But why were we avoiding it? We didn't understand. Yet now you say you understand. And without even realizing it, you are saying that every morning when you wake up, you check the cash situation in bed. Have the payments I wanted been made? Has it gone to the investment account I wanted? Has it increased as I wanted? Suddenly, all you can think about is developing that money and using it for your own life. So now the new you, your new mindset, is taking you out of the financial security issue, this dilemma of decision-making and confusion, and reintroducing you to money with a new perspective. And as you start using this money for your own life, you are developing your own mental and cognitive structure, and automatically a rich life emerges. along with a richer and more fulfilling inner world.